Dear families of my channel, welcome to my class. Now I'm going to show how to calculate the mass volume problems under these categories of problems, so stoichiometric calculation problems. The mass of one substance will be given, the volume of another substance will be calculated, or the volume of one substance is given and the mass of another substance will be calculated. Example: how many grams of magnesium metal should react with sulfuric acid to give or to produce 5.6 liters of hydrogen? Therefore, what is given? Hydrogen 5.6 liter, and what is asked is magnesium mass. Therefore, A, write X above magnesium and 24 is atomic mass of magnesium below it, below the formula, and the molar volume will be written as it is because the coefficient of hydrogen is 1. Therefore, 1 times 22.4 liter means itself. Therefore, you'll set up the proportion x over 24 is equal to 5.6 over 22.4. Will be like this ones. Therefore, x times this one is equal to 24 times 5.6, or x is equal to 24 times 5.6 over 22.4, which is equal to 6 grams of magnesium metal is needed in order to produce 5.6 liters of hydrogen when combined with sulfuric acid. Question number 1, let's say it. How many liters of oxygen are required to react with 156, means 156 grams of benzene according to the chemical equation below? This is benzene reacts or burns with oxygen, gives carbon dioxide and water vapor. Therefore, should write 156 above the given substance benzene and X above the required substance oxygen. Therefore, again, the total mass of benzene must be written below the formula of benzene. That means total mass means coefficient times the molar mass. The molar mass of benzene is 78 because 6 times 12 plus 6 times 1 this gives us 78, and coefficient multiplying it becomes 156 also. Therefore, X over coefficient of oxygen is 15 times molar volume is the setup of the equation. Okay, therefore 156 divided by 156 means 1. 1 is equal to x over 15 times 22.4, which means x is equal to 15 times 22.4, which is equal to 336 liters of oxygen is needed in order to burn 156 grams of benzene molecule. Question 2. What mass of iron metal would be completely oxidized by 89.6 liters of oxygen to produce iron-3 oxide at SCTP? Therefore, first of all, what must be done? The balanced equation must be done. That means iron burns or oxidizes with oxygen gives iron-3 oxide. Therefore, when balanced, iron becomes 4 and oxygen must be 3, and iron 3 oxide is 2. What is given is the volume of oxygen must be written above the oxygen, that is 89.6 liter of oxygen, and what is asked is the mass of iron. Therefore, X over 4 times mass of iron is equal to 89.6 over 3 times molar volume. 3 times molar volume. Therefore you will set up the proportion, which is x is equal to this number times this number. This number means 204 times 89.6 over this 3 times molar volume. 3 times molar volume. Therefore, the answer of the question is 29.87 grams of iron would be oxidized with 89.6 liters of oxygen. Question number 3. How many milliliters of sulfur dioxide are formed when 12.5 grams of iron sulfide, or that is iron pyrite, reacts with oxygen at STP according to this equation? That is, when the equation is balanced, 4 moles of iron pyrite reacts with 11 moles of oxygen to give 2 moles of iron 3 oxide plus 8 moles of sulfur dioxide. Therefore, write the given number above the iron sulfide, or this one is, and x above the required substance. This is sulfur dioxide is required. Therefore, here 4 times the total mass of, or 4 times the mass of iron and the sulfur submission. Here 8 times molar volume. Okay, like this. You see, the mass of iron 56, sulfur 32 times 2, 64, and the summation of this value multiplied by 4, and this one is 8 times molar volume. Therefore, x over this one is equal to this number over this one, and the value of x will be this number times this number divided by this number. This number means 480. Therefore, the result is 4.6667 liter, or in milliliter. You will multiply this number with 1000, it becomes 4666.7 milliliter of sulfur dioxide is formed. This is the class. Do you have any question? Write your comment, like and share.